to be practicing finding function values. So the first function that we're going to work with is the f function. And this f function says that the function is 2x minus 6. So when we're finding the value of a function, the first thing that we're going to look for is what is the value that they want me to use for x. In this case, this asks us to please find the value of the function 2x minus 6 when x is the value of 2. So the first thing I'm going to do is substitute in this value everywhere that I see an x in the function. So I'm going to put 2 times 2 minus 6, and then I'm going to simply solve 4 plus negative 6. I did the keep, change here after I did my PEMDAS multiplication. And then I'm going to do simplify, so it's going to be negative 2. So the function, when the value of x is 2, the value of the function is negative 2. Now we can also take a function and put in a term that has a variable. So this asks us, tell us the value of this function 2x minus 6 when x is equal to 3y. So again, I'm going to take my 3y and I'm going to put it in wherever I see an x. So it's going to be 2 times 3y minus 6, which is going to give me 6y minus 6. So the value of the function when x is 3y is equal to 6y minus 6. So my answers are going to be written like this. All right, let's take a look at another function. Okay, I'm going to wait just a minute here to see for my laptop or tablet to reload so that you can see my screen. There we go. All right, so our second function that we have is the g function. And the g function is x minus 2x squared. So again, the first thing that we're going to work with is when the value of x is an integer. So we're going to find the value of this function, x minus 2x squared, when x is 2. So I'm going to go ahead and substitute in. Everywhere I see an x, I'm going to put in my 2. So I'm going to have 2 minus 2 times 2 squared. I'm going to go ahead and follow my PEMDAS. So this is going to be 2 minus 2 times 4. Then I'm going to have 2 minus 8. So I have really actually here, this is plus negative, because now I can multiply negative 2 times 4, which gives me negative 8. And then I would simplify it to negative 6. So the value of the function x minus 2x squared when x is 2 is going to be negative 6. And again, we can take that same function and we can use a term that has a variable. So I'm going to go ahead and put in 3y for my first x minus 2 times 3y squared. Now nothing's going to be multiplied by my 3y, so I can take it out of my parentheses, plus negative 2 times, and 3 squared is going to be 9, and y squared is going to be y squared. Now I can go ahead and multiply. So I'm going to have 3y plus negative 18y squared. Now, when I have a term with an exponent of 2 and a term with an exponent of 1, we understand that that 1 is there even though we don't see it. We're going to write our we're going to write our answer in descending order with exponents. So our exponent answer is actually going to be negative 18y squared plus 3y is the value of the function when x is 3y. And that's how you find the value of a function.